China's Jiutian drone Mothership is not just another large, unmanned aircraft. It is a flying platform that could carry heavy payloads and possibly release smaller drones in coordinated groups. In this video, we will explore what makes Geotian different, why its design matters, and how it could reshape the future of air power through range, scale, automation, and connected systems. China's Jiutian is important because it shows how large unmanned aircraft are moving from experimental ideas into real flight testing. The aircraft completed its maiden flight in Puching, Shaanxi Province, and it was developed by the state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China, known as AVIC. That detail matters because AVIC is one of China's major aviation builders, and Geotian is not a small concept model. It is a jet-powered heavyweight UAV designed around size, endurance, payload, and mission flexibility. The aircraft's numbers make it stand out immediately, and it has a ferry range of about 4,349 miles, or nearly 7,000 kilometers. It also has a top speed of roughly 378 knots and an operational ceiling close to 49,000 feet. These figures place it far beyond the category of small short-range drones. This is a large airborne platform built for distance, weight, and persistence. What makes Geotian even more attention-grabbing is its mothership role. The aircraft has been described as capable of carrying up to 100 smaller drones and releasing them in coordinated groups. It also features 8 underwing hardpoints that could support different mission payloads, including air-to-surface and air-to-air systems. This gives Geotian more than one possible purpose. It could act as a carrier, a relay platform, a sensor hub, or a long-range support aircraft depending on the payload it carries. Officially, Geotian has also been presented for civil and emergency missions, including cargo delivery, disaster response, emergency communications, surveying, and resource mapping. That flexibility is already valuable. A large UAV that can carry supplies, communication equipment, or sensors could support remote areas, natural disaster zones, or long-range monitoring tasks. The bigger message is that Geotian reflects China's growing focus on affordable, scalable, and expendable drone systems that can operate in large numbers. The mothership idea is powerful because it changes how people think about unmanned aviation. Usually, when people hear the word drone, they imagine one flying machine doing one task. Geotian introduces a different model. A larger aircraft could carry many smaller drones closer to an operating area, then release them in a coordinated pattern. That means the smaller drones do not need to travel the full distance by themselves. This concept is important because coordinated groups of drones can create pressure through scale. The main value is not only that each small drone performs a separate mission. The value is that many small systems can appear across a wide area, collect information, test responses, relay signals, or create a complicated air picture. A single incoming object is easier to follow. Many small objects moving at once create a much harder decision-making environment. Geotian's ability to carry up to 100 smaller drones makes it a possible force multiplier. One large, unmanned aircraft could become the starting point for a much larger activity in the sky. The smaller drones could be designed for different jobs. Some may carry cameras or sensors. Others may support communication links. Some could help map air routes, inspect areas, or gather real-time data. This is also where cost and scale become central. Smaller drones are usually cheaper and easier to produce than large crewed aircraft or advanced high-end platforms. When they operate in groups, they can help stretch attention and resources. The challenge for any defense system is not just detecting one object. It is deciding which objects matter most, which ones are decoys, which ones are collecting data, and which ones need a response. Still, Geotian is not a magic aircraft. Its size gives it payload, but size can also make it easier to detect. A 25-meter wingspan is not something that disappears easily from advanced monitoring systems. That means Geotian would probably be most effective as part of a wider network, not as a lone aircraft flying into a highly monitored area. It may rely on distance, planning, timing, route selection, and coordination with other systems. Geotian matters because it reflects a larger global shift in how air power may be organized. For decades, the focus was often on faster aircraft, longer-range missiles, advanced sensors, and high-end platforms. Those still matter. But the rise of large unmanned carriers and smaller coordinated drones adds a new layer. Future air operations may depend less on one expensive machine doing everything and more on many connected systems sharing the workload. This is especially important in the Indo-Pacific, where distance, islands, sea lanes, airfields, and logistics all matter. A long-range unmanned aircraft with a 7,000-kilometer ferry range gives planners more options. It can travel far, carry a heavy payload, and support missions over large areas. When combined with smaller drones, it could help extend monitoring coverage, improve communications, or support complex operations across wide distances. That matters because geography in the region is not simple. Everything is spread out, and distance can quickly become a major limitation. The concept also affects how bases, ships, and air defense systems are planned. Large fixed facilities are easy to locate, while mobile and distributed systems are harder to predict. If unmanned platforms can release smaller drones in groups, then planners must think differently about protection, early detection, and response costs. The question becomes, how do you manage a crowded air environment without wasting resources or missing something important? That is a difficult challenge, and it is one many countries are now studying seriously. Jiutian also shows how dual-use technology can blur the line between civil and strategic roles. Officially, the aircraft can support cargo delivery, disaster relief, emergency communications, surveying, and mapping. Those are real and useful missions. But the same size, range, and payload can also support more advanced security-related tasks. This is why large UAVs attract attention. Their value is not locked into one purpose. The payload bay, hardpoints, communication systems, and mission equipment can change what the aircraft does. So what does this mean in simple terms? It means the future may not be defined by the biggest aircraft alone. It may be defined by the aircraft that can carry the smartest network. Geotian's real importance is not just its size. It is the idea that one unmanned platform could become an airborne hub for many smaller systems, changing how airspace is monitored, managed, and protected. Geotian should not be treated as a mystery machine or as hype. The confirmed details already show a large jet-powered aircraft with long range, strong endurance, and major payload capacity. The mothership role makes it even more important because it points toward a future built around scale and coordination. The lesson is clear. Air power is becoming more connected, more unmanned, and more flexible. One aircraft may no longer be the whole story. The real story is the network it carries, supports, and activates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.